You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no one's but...
Hello friends, how are you all? Hope all are doing great. Today I am excited to share the idea of a DIY waterfall at a very low budget. If you want to know how, please stay with me until the end of this video. Recently I started a living room makeover project, and with summer just around the corner, I thought why not add a waterfall at one corner of our living hall. The idea struck me instantly. I needed storage for water below and at a certain height from where the water would gently flow down. I had these cement square pots taking up too much space, and whenever I planted plants in them, they never seemed to thrive. So I decided to repurpose them vertically to create a beautiful waterfall feature. Using long screws, I connected them one above the other. I then filled the gaps from the backside with a mixture of cement and sand, leaving it to cure for 2 days. It's crucial to remember to pour water for curing, otherwise the structure may get weakened. To give it a natural look, I used small stone pieces. I poured cement mixture and embedded these stones in it. After drying, a few stones came loose, which I reattached using Fevikwik. I then painted the borders with black oil paint from Asian Paints. Afterwards, I applied varnish to enhance the appearance of the stones. Doesn't it look great? Now the height part is ready. We purchased a milk storage crate at wholesale price for around 500 rupees and painted it black. Then we adorned it with stones using Fevikwik to serve as water storage at the bottom of the waterfall. For additional decoration, I prepared dough using a wall putty mixture. As always, I ensured there were no cracks in the dough before shaping it into flowers and leaves, which I then painted using acrylic colors. We illuminated the waterfall using LED strip lights, securing them with araldite. My husband used a long needle to create holes for the water to flow slowly. The overhead tank was fashioned from a plastic planter spray painted black by my son. I will explain the assembly process later since some clips were deleted. Not everyone in our home liked the black color, so I changed it again using acrylic colors after creating a texture using plaster of Paris paste. Then I applied varnish. Now I'll tell you how we assembled them. We used a submersible pump with a frequency of 50 Hz, readily available at any hardware shop. One side of the water outlet is connected to a pipe. And the motor is enclosed in a bag with pores previously used for storing vegetables in the fridge to prevent some debris from entering the motor. The pipe ends into the plastic pot at the top. The pot is securely attached using 3 packs of M-seal. We install the cement pots vertically inside the crate using small stones, sand and cement mixture at the bottom, allowing it to dry for 4 days. It's crucial to ensure the water level always covers the pump. Now enjoy the soothing ambience created by our waterfall. It adds a refreshing touch to the corner of our living room. while a similar waterfall in the market could cost around 10 to 12,000 rupees. We managed to create ours for approximately 3,000 rupees. So friends, if you are interested, you can also give it a try. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home related content. See you in the next living room makeover video. Until then, take care, be happy and bye bye.